Okay, so when you come into code.org to start a new project, you come to projects and you come to Web Lab. Today's project, we are going to call your last name. So I'm going to close the AI, rename your last name, about me, and the period. I'm going to put a T because this is just my test. Okay, save it. Come over here and refresh. Okay, this button is our save button. Okay, I'm going to get started by going to the Google Classroom. I left you a piece of code just to make this step easier because this one has just a lot of symbols in it. So it's right here, the head tag with the link. Copy it and then come back to your project. It's going to go, if you hit your cursor on line 2 after the HTML tag, hit enter, it opens up line 3, paste it, and now I have the head and the link in there. Okay. Then I'm going to come into the body and delete that, refreshing to save. I'm going to add a file, add new file. We're going to call it style, spell it right, and all lowercase, CSS, create file. Okay, we're going to go back to the index by clicking on it. We're here in body. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go create my first container tag, which is my header. Okay, open header. Container tags do not go on the same line, so I hit enter to move to the next line. I'm going to type my H1 in there, and I'm going to type my name, first name and last name, making sure I capitalize the first and last letters of my name, like a real name would be spelled. Okay, I'm going to leave the header container and open a new container called the div. Again, container tags do not go on the same line. Single line tags, like the H1 open and close, are on the same line, line 8, as each other. Those are called single line. Because header is on 7 and 9 separated, it is called a container. It holds other things. Div is also a container. It's going to hold our image, so img. We need to get our image in here, so we need to go ahead and download our About Me collage. And with this new version of code.org, it's a little harder than it was. So bear with me. We're going to get our About Me. I need to open mine up. Okay. You're going to come to your file. Oop. I thought that was the About Me. That was a folder. I need the About Me. I thought I had it. I can't find my collage. So you need to find your collage. I can't find mine. So I'm just going to open up someone else's for the point of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this one. Sorry. I usually have mine open. But open your file, maybe. Okay, once you have your file open, okay, you're going to go ahead up to here to the word file and download, and we're going to choose JPEG. Okay. When it pops up, you can say show in folder. Okay. We want to rename it, so 2-finger tap on it and rename it. And don't delete the JPEG. See how it pulls open just that? You're going to go ahead and type it just me, okay, and call it me, JPG. Okay, so again, show in folder and then just 2-finger tap on it to rename it. Okay, so now I'm going to come back to my coding. I'm going to go here to the plus sign, upload. Hopefully in my recent files, I should have me. I'm hoping. There it is. Okay, and there we go. Okay, it shows up really large. Okay, and then I'm going to click back on the index, and now I'm going to code it into my files. So img space, oop, I got rid of my tag, img space src equals quotation marks. In between the quotation marks, we're going to type the file name, me.jpg. Okay, so there comes our photo. We need one more thing in here. We need an alt equals quotation marks. This one tells me if my picture doesn't load what the picture is of, or if I'm blind and I'm looking at the website, the screen reader will read these words. So collage of, and your name. And then go to the other side of the quotation and close the tag with the other side of the tag. And that's what we got done today. Remember to hit refresh so that yours saves. And then that is where we are today.